Today's word literally means to hang an ear, but let's see why. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have QULAQ ASMAQ. QULAQ ASMAQ. QULAQ ASMAQ is to listen, to hear out, or to pay attention. Let's use those. To listen to music, to hear out a friend, to pay attention in class. Let's see what do they mean. Musiqiyə QULAQ ASMAQ. Musiqi, music, to music. Musiqiyə QULAQ ASMAQ, to listen. Dosta QULAQ ASMAQ, to hear out a friend. Dərsə QULAQ ASMAQ, to pay attention to class, in class. See how I'm saying QULAQ ASMAQ? I'm not saying QULAQ ASMAQ, I say QULAQ ASMAQ. Let's use those in some sentences. Musiqiyə QULAQ ASMAQ məni sakitləşdirir. Another way you're going to see why I said something different and was written different. Because technically, Azerbaijani letters, whatever you see, you say the same thing in the words and sentences. Sometimes not. But first, let's see what does this mean. Listening to music calms me. Musiqiyə qulaq asmaq, listening to music. Məni sakitləşdirir, calms me. See, sakit, quiet, calm, sakitləşdirmək, sakitləş actually, because this is a derived word that has multiple suffixes, but let's break it. Sakit, quiet, calm, sakitləş, be quiet, calm down. Sakitləşdir, to calm someone down. Sakitləşdirir, calms, something calms you. Now, you write sakitləşdirir, but you say sakitləşdirir. See, L turned into D, sakitləşdirir. Now, qulaq asmaq, the same thing. The word that can end with G, it turns either to R or X. Watch, qulaq asmaq. Now, musiqiyə qulaq asmaq məni sakitləşdirir. Let's see another one. Mən sənin dediklərinə sonuna qədər qulaq asmaq istəyirəm. Let's see. I want to listen to what you say until the very end. Means I want to hear you out. Now, mən, I, sənin dediklərinə, to what you say, basically. Sonuna qədər, until the very end, till the end. Qulaq asmaq istəyirəm, want to listen. That was my way of using qulaq asmaq in Azerbaijani sentences and phrases. I have another one for you where just qulaq asmaq in Azerbaijani, the rest is in English. Watch. Don't just hear, but actually qulaq as. Thanks for watching. We finished this week with qulaq asmaq, but make sure to come back to tomorrow for the new week because we're starting new topic, new set of words. But if you want to learn Azerbaijani easier, much more fun ways, I am exploring this in masterazerbaijani.com. Far more better, far more in detail. Make sure to check this out. Cheers.